Good day everyone. My name is Johanna Tasil Adin, PSN 1B student. Today, I will be demonstrating the hair shampooing. But first, what is hair shampooing? Hair shampooing is cleaning the hair by removing oil and dirt with the use of shampoo while the patient is on bed. Purpose is to clean the hair and and improve the patient's sense of well-being. So the equipment to be used are bath blanket, rubber sheet, 2 towels, cotton balls, warm water, pitcher, shampoo, pail, and lastly is cali pad. Now, before we proceed to our first procedure, assume that my patient is lying on the bed because hair shampooing is required to be done in the bed. First is check if the hospital require doctor's order for hair shampoo. Rationale is some institution need doctor's order for a procedure to be done. Next is identify the patient and explain the procedure. Rationale to ensure that you are administering the right procedure or the procedure to the right person and to lessen the anxiety and apprehension of the patient. Ma'am, good morning po ma'am. Ako po si Nurse Johanna. Ano pong pangalan nila?
Okay na po.
Ma'am, may gagawin po tayong procedure ha. Isa-shampoo ko po yung buhok niyo. Okay lang po ba?
Okay lang po.
Sige. Now assess the patient's condition like manifestation of fatigue, level of consciousness, and hygiene needs. Rationale is to determine if the patient could tolerate the procedure. Ma'am, alam niyo po ba kung anong date at oras ngayon?
Opo.
Wala po ba masakit sa katawan niya?
Wala po.
Kaya niyo po ba isagawa yung procedure na gagawin natin?
Opo.
Now determine if you need any assistance. Rationale is to ensure fast and easy procedure. So in my case, I don't need any person to assist me. But if it will be hard on you to do this procedure, you should have one person to assist you. Next is gather all the equipment needed. Rationale is to promote efficiency of the health procedure to be done. Now, provide privacy. Rationale is providing privacy shows respect to the patient as a person. Now, raise the bed to proper working height level. Rationale is this prevents muscle strain to the healthcare worker. So now assume that I am adjusting the bed. Or raising the bed. Now do hair as follows. Rationale is do hair shampoo as follows. First is fold the top linen to the feet and position a bath blanket over the patient. Rationale is to provide warmth to the patient. Now, position the patient diagonally in bed and remove the pillow. Rationale is the head will be closer to the health giver. Ma'am, diagonally position po tayo. So now place cotton balls on each ear. Rationale is to prevent water from getting in the ears. Now, cover the eyes with washcloth. Rationale is to prevent water and shampoo in getting in the eyes. Now, place the rubber sheet of plastic square under the patient's head. Rationale is to protect the bed. Now, place a towel around the neck with the ends of the towel coming together in front. Rationale is it could be easily pulled out for wiping the hair. So now, place a Kelipad under the patient head with through extending to the receptacle of water. Rationale is the water will fall by gravity in the receptacle. Now, wet the hair and using a small amount of shampoo, lather it on hair and massage the scalp with fingers fat. Rationale is a small amount of shampoo would not be hard to rinse. To rinse massaging the scalp will increase blood circulation. Next, rinse thoroughly and apply cream rinse as desired by the patient. And rationale is unwashed shampoo will cause dandruff. If the hair is so dirty, you could repeat step H and I. Rationale is clean, rinse easily, and removes shampoo. Next is rinse thoroughly. Rationale is to remove the residue that can irritate the skin. Next, remove the Kelipad. Rationale is to facilitate the drying hair. pull the towel around patient's shoulders to dry the hair. Rationale is dry hair make patients comfortable and adds to her well-being. It also increases blood supply to the scalp. Now comb or brush and arrange the hair. Allow the patients to assist if able. Rationale is comb hair makes patients comfortable and adds to her well-being. It also increases blood supply to the scalp. Next is remove the rubber sheet and other equipment. Rationale place them in the appropriate area so that they are ready for next use. Next is replace the blanket with top bed linen. Rationale is to keep patient comfortable. Next, put a patient in comfortable position. Rationale is hair shampooing is a tiring procedure. Wash hands. Rationale is to prevent the spread of microorganisms. Watch the patients carefully for signs of fatigue and evaluate her feelings to comfort and cleanliness. Rationale is some patients don't verbalize what they feel. Now, record the procedure. Rationale is to provide accurate data in the care of the client.